Hello, it's your girl Beautiful Lee, and I'm coming to you guys today with a necklace review from Gold Presidents. This is a custom order, so it took 6 to 8 weeks to arrive to my home. This is the box that it came in. It's a little slide box. You just pull it out like this. So before we hop right into this video, if you would like to see what my necklace looks like, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And also let me know if you have ordered from this company and let me know your experience with them. So the necklace comes into this Gold Presidents leather bag. It comes with a thank you card and a code to use on your next purchase. It also comes with a lifetime guarantee card, so if you break your jewelry or something, you can get a new one. So you can get a replacement. That is actually really good. So this is the necklace that I got with my pendant. It has little diamonds in it. This is what she looks like up close. Very pretty. The end of the necklace is a clamp, so it has a little button on the side to release it. You can see that. Press it and it releases it. So this is the pendant that I ordered from them. This is the Western font that I got. They have different fonts, so make sure you go and check them out. I'm going to leave their website down in the description box. So I'm just going to put the necklace together and I'm going to try it on for you guys. Okay, so this is what she looks like. I absolutely love it. I actually thought that the pendant was going to be a little smaller, but the size of it is just fine also. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like up close. So this necklace definitely describes me, a hustler, but this video is going to be short and simple. I just came to show you guys what my necklace looks like and also to just give you a little bit of information about the company. The necklace did come within 6 to 8 weeks and the customer service is great. I definitely might order from this company again. But I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my video, and I will see you guys on the next one.